And races on as it coming fast to begin. Don Exical Tiger, Rivik Snake Me Spaghetti, Jukebox King, Don on the inside, Sweet and Gorgeous, Don Exical moving up by the Jukebox King to take the lead. Has it coming, is running by the third, Snake Me Spaghetti, Tiger, Rivik, Sweet and and ring the last 600, Jukebox King, Don Exical has it coming by the Tiger Rific. Sweet and Gorgeous, Snake Me Spaghetti is now running at the tail of the field. Jukebox King, Don Exical has it coming. Is running by the Tiger Rific. Sweet and Gorgeous as they race the final corner. Jukebox King, Don Exical as it coming, running by the Tiger Rific. Jukebox King still the leader as it coming, running by the Don Exical. Jukebox King has it coming by the Don Exical and nearing the finish line. Number 1, Jukebox King. Second, has it coming, Don Exical, Tiger Rific, Sweet and Gorgeous, and Snake Me Spaghetti.